Welcome back, my friends. The news today is that Meta's advertising growth is proof that hefty AI spending is already paying off. On Wednesday's earnings call with analysts, CEO Mark Zuckerberg and CFO Susan Li rattled off the many ways that AI has helped the company's business. Meta's advertising sales in the second quarter increased 22%, double the growth rate at rival Google. Zuckerberg said AI is improving recommendations and helping people find better content, as well as making the advertising experiences more effective. But before we get into all of that, I would like to thank everyone who views my videos. If you would like to support the channel, please see the link to buy me a coffee in the video description below. And please hit the like button and leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. For investors who are skeptical of Meta's massive spending on artificial intelligence and whether it will pay off anytime soon, CEO Mark Zuckerberg is urging them to look to the present. After the company's better-than-expected second-quarter earnings report on Wednesday, Zuckerberg and finance chief Susan Li rattled off all the ways that AI has helped the company grow faster than the competition in the digital advertising market, Meta's core business, the ways that it's improving recommendations and helping people find better content, as well as making the advertising experiences more effective. I think there's a lot of upside there, Zuckerberg said on the earnings call. Those are already products that are at scale. The AI work that we're doing is going to improve that. Meta reported revenue growth of 22% from a year earlier to $39.07 billion, with 98% of its sales coming from advertising, primarily on Facebook and Instagram. Its growth rate was double that of Google's ad business, which saw sales increase 11% to $64.6 billion, Alphabet said in its earnings report last week. Meanwhile, Pinterest and Spotify, which are both significantly smaller than Meta, reported revenue growth of 21% and 20% respectively in their latest reports. As in previous quarters, Li said Meta's advertising business benefited from online commerce, gaming, and the media and entertainment sectors, and that ad growth continued to be strongest in the Asia-Pacific region. She said the company's improved ad performance helped lift overall ad prices despite slowing growth in that region. Zuckerberg pointed to AI as the foundation behind Meta's refreshed online advertising platform, which was battered after Apple introduced an iOS privacy update in 2021 that made it harder for social media companies to target users across the internet. They rebuilt their ad tech stack using AI, and they changed their user interface and generated a lot more user engagement because of AI, said Mark Mahaney, internet analyst at Evercore ISI, in an interview on CNBC's Closing Bell Overtime on Wednesday. It's showing up in the revenue and the profits now, said Mahaney, who recommends buying Meta shares. Meta shares popped 7% in extended trading after Wednesday's earnings report, which included an uplifting forecast for the current quarter. Like the other mega-cap tech companies, Meta is spending billions of dollars on NVIDIA's graphics processing units, GPUs, which are needed to train AI models and run hefty workloads. Some industry experts have questioned the outlays because so much of the investment is tied to expectations that generative AI, popularized by OpenAI's ChatGPT, will lead to big revenue gains in the future. Already seen a return. Meta is showing that, while the bet is on major growth down the road, the company is reaping rewards today. You've already seen a return with Meta over the last 2 years, Mahaney said. Angelo Zeno, an analyst at CFRA Research, agreed with Mahaney, telling CNBC that Meta has really navigated some of the concerns and the storms from a couple years ago and is clearly integrating AI across their ecosystem extremely nicely. Zeno noted that Meta's growth rates are nicely outpacing those of its peers. Meta isn't finished spending big money on AI and the far-flung metaverse, which continues to lose billions of dollars each quarter. Li said that Meta expects significant capex growth in 2025 as we invest to support our AI research and our product development efforts. For 2024, Meta said it now expects capital expenditures in the range of $37 billion to $40 billion, lifting the low end of that range, which had been $35 billion. Li says investors should think of Meta's AI strategy as a two-pronged approach, with Core AI helping Meta improve its advertising platform and recommendation system, thus leading to more user engagement and ad performance that have translated into revenue gains. Generative AI is a longer-term bet. Li said that the company doesn't expect our Gen AI products to be a meaningful driver of revenue in 2024, but we do expect that they're going to open up new revenue opportunities over time that will enable us to generate a solid return off of our investment. Certainly, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has been leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance its advertising business. Here are some key ways AI is making an impact. 1. Improved recommendations. AI helps Meta provide better content recommendations to users. 1. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, it tailors ad placements and suggests relevant content, leading to more effective advertising experiences. 2. Ad performance enhancement. Meta rebuilt its ad tech stack using AI after Apple's iOS privacy update in 2021. 2. This update made it harder for social media companies to target users across the internet. 2. The company's refreshed online advertising platform now generates more user engagement, thanks to AI-driven improvements. 3. Generative AI tools. Meta recently unveiled new generative AI features to assist businesses in creating and editing ad content. 3. These tools aim to make the ad creation process quicker and more efficient. 4. Revenue growth. In Q4, AI-powered advertising contributed to a 24% year-over-year increase in Meta's ad business, totaling $38.7 billion. 4. This growth rate outpaced competitors like Google. Remember that Meta's primary source of revenue remains advertising, accounting for nearly 99% of its sales, primarily on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. The company's commitment to AI continues to drive its success in the digital advertising market. Meta's latest open-source AI model, called Llama 3.1405B, is a significant advancement. Here are the key highlights. 1. Size and parameters. Llama 3.1 boasts an impressive 405 billion parameters, making it one of the largest AI models available. 2. Performance. Meta claims that Llama 3.1 is competitive with the best commercial releases. 2. It outperforms OpenAI and Google on certain benchmarks. 3. Multilingual support. Meta AI, powered by Llama 3.1, is now available in 22 countries, including Latin American nations like Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Peru, and Cameroon. 3. Users can interact with it across WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook in languages like French, German, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. 4. Creative tools. Meta AI introduces new creative features, such as the Imagine Me prompts. 4. Users can generate personalized images based on prompts like Imagine me surfing or Imagine me as royalty. 4. Additionally, creative editing capabilities allow users to fine-tune their imagined images. 5. Video capabilities. Meta's Segment Anything Model 2, SAM2, extends AI labeling and tracking to videos, enabling advanced video editing and analysis. In summary, Meta's Llama 3.1 represents a leap forward in AI capabilities, empowering users with creative tools and multilingual support. Meta takes privacy seriously in its AI-driven advertising efforts. Here are some ways they address privacy. 1. Brand safety and verification tools. Meta has rolled out AI-driven tools that use a multi-stage review system to classify text, photo, and video content. 1. These tools provide more control over ad placement, ensuring proximity to objectionable content is minimized. 2. Generative AI features. When launching generative AI features, Meta prioritizes privacy. 2. They include additional safeguards and integrity measures while building models, using information from their products and services. 3. Encrypted data. Meta ensures that user data remains private. 3. Technologies like the Conversions API use encrypted signals, protecting sensitive information. Meta's commitment to privacy aligns with their AI-driven advertising initiatives, allowing them to strike a balance between effective advertising and user protection. Meta has made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, but whether it's a definitive leader depends on the context. Let's explore. 1. Yann LeCun's impact. Yann LeCun, Meta's chief AI scientist, has received accolades for his contributions to AI. 1. His work spans areas like machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. 2. Open source approach. Meta emphasizes open source AI research through its fundamental AI research team, FAIR. 2. This collaborative approach challenges traditional AI leaders and fosters innovation. 3. Monetizing AI. Meta has demonstrated success in monetizing AI, with AI-powered recommendations boosting user engagement. 4. Quest for AGI. Meta's long-term vision includes building artificial general intelligence, AGI, and open sourcing it for everyone's benefit. 4. However, achieving AGI remains a complex challenge. Meta is actively contributing to AI advancements, but the landscape is dynamic, with other players like Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA also vying for leadership. But what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. And before we end, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is ProWorldNet.com. ProWorldNet.com is a job website specifically dedicated to licensed professions, doctors, including any type of specialty, nurses, and that includes all grades of nurses, lawyers, regardless of area of legal focus, teachers and professors, from kindergarten through graduate school, as well as any kind of job that requires a government license or certification. And ProWorldNet.com also includes short-term gig-type jobs as well. So be sure to check out ProWorldNet.com if you are looking for a job or an employee. Thank you for watching.